Yep, I was live just 2 minutes ago out here at the pickup truck at work, just like that. There was a bus here doing something, who knows. But let me show you that the radio works. You hit the radio button, right?
Party all the time, party. Mixtape's got a little hang, non-stop diary. That is that beat.
Play that all day long, but
That's just
I'm here about the tape, so I've got a mixtape of my own that I keep in the truck. All right, so I got some Deep Purple in here, I think. I don't want to sell the music, so let me flip it over and see what's on the other side. All right, so. Alright, so we're outside and I just want to show you that it's all here. It's a D8443. It all works. It's obviously running on batteries because there's no power cord here. Alright, it looks like that. That's all we know. We're just going to keep it under however short this is. Alright, so had too much fun. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.